sponsor us.
Alright, hello. Hello and welcome to the MegaDongs. We are here today because of a community request. By that I mean our only community member, Mr. Video Star, calling you out. Thanks for the idea. We are going to be burping on people. Unfortunately, we didn't have any stored up burps, so we got some barbecue and carbonation and a couple Tootsie Rolls. I thought you were gonna throw up on me when I heard that, man. It smells like slaw.
We recently just watched the Panthers game.
Against the Giants.
We're all Panthers fans here. Fuck you, Odell Beckham Jr. I hate your sorry fucking ass.
For those of you who did not watch the game, this is not so nice of a man. Some would say
a dick.
A real buster?
Buster.
Oh, buster. Highest word in the dictionary idea for insults. Like, at one point, this man just runs in and just, like, flying headbutts poor Josh Norman. Right in the head. Like, his neck goes like that. You don't do that to a player. That's how you get injuries. Will Smith from that concussion movie, I'm sure he wouldn't have had it.
Automatic ejection, and the refs were worth the shit.
Automatic erection.
The refs really did shitty today.
As usual.
You know, just making me angry.
It's like there, but it's not there yet. I had nothing. It was a silent one, I'm sorry. God dang. Got another small one.
I'm expecting that 1 billion subscriber mark sometime soon.
So close. Honestly, I kind of like eating, Robert. I'm sorry that we're paying you to eat.
I paid for your food. No one's paying me anything.
Robert.
At least we get to eat good food this time.
No baby food or canned food or anything.
Or Red's Hot shit.
Red's Hot Shit is my favorite brand.
I love having red hot shits.
Oh man, speaking of shits, holy shit. We went to Walmart yesterday to look for a mini fridge.
Oh my.
I was in the bathroom for at least like 10 minutes or something. Waterfall shits. It was great, I did it at Walmart. It wasn't fun. I didn't enjoy the shit. But I'm glad I did it at Walmart because it took a lot of toilet paper.
We couldn't find where the mini fridges were because there's a small little section.
Because they're small fridges, Robert.
So we unfortunately had to ask a Walmart employee. I made Zach ask him. Thank you. This Walmart employee, we asked him where the mini fridges were. He responds with, like showing how tall the mini fridges should be. And
Robert hates people with speech impediments.
I had a speech impediment.
I had one in elementary school too. I think it was like couldn't say my R's.
I couldn't either. My fucking name.
Is that how Wob started? Or was that a little bitch Yakable? Yakable. Wob. Oh, Robert, I paid for this food myself.
Piece of shit.
Oh. Do you burp forward and then try to like blow it on him? I'm gonna smack the shit out of you if you say anything I have to censor out.
Good job. Don't be a fucking worthless Robert.
God damn it, Zach. That's really professional, Robert. She's standing in front of the camera. Robert's stank ass is in the way. Oh. Bitch! Robert, who's your bitch? And why does your ass stink?
Please don't.
Hopefully no one saw the video Zach put up for a few seconds last night because I had to censor a few more things. That smells like straight barbecue sauce, man. Do you even have sauce on yours?
Nope.
Why does it smell like barbecue sauce? Gah!
Don't worry, man. I'll fix it.
Such a nincompoop, man.
Don't worry, it's for me.
I respect it.
It's pretty good. Don't get your spitty saliva on my fries. Every time he does it, I think he's gonna throw up. If I don't see Zach throw up on camera on Robert, I might unsubscribe, guys.
Already done.
Oh, it smells so good. So we've never told anyone online about our rank of insults, have we?
No.
Alright, so we're gonna start with what some people consider to be like
Wow, that was like right in his ear.
So, we have this, I guess, a different set of insults that we use. Like, we'll start with, yeah, most people consider to be the most insulting word. Most things would not let us show the word. If you would like a long fake burp, listen to that one. Anyways. Y'all motherfuckers done? This kid, he's laughing, he's like fucking slaw and barbecue sauce just in his hand. Okay, so the insult. So we have, which very serious word still. You don't just throw, you throw that word around at your friends. Sometimes, most people probably wouldn't, but you know. We have after, what do you say? It's punts.
Punch.
We have punts, which is a word Zach mispronounced something as an insult, and so it came out as punts. So we decided like a is actually a vagina, but the punts is like the cunt of a penis, you know? And as we all know, penises are worse than vaginas, because I mean, which would you rather have in your face? Vagina. Then you got Palpatine.
Emperor Palpatine.
He's like the very old man, somewhat, probably a lot of diseases. Probably not many STDs, but like other diseases.
No one wants to get near that.
The top of Palpatine. Choose for the worst of the worst. You have Buster. Because whenever Vin Diesel tries to insult someone, he calls him a Buster. Unless he's saying, the Buster came back for me!
Meow. He's an animal.
Sorry. So we're back. Hard cut to right now. Anyways, I'm still Matt Fleming. I still like making videos.
Still on.
Another hard cut to right now. Alright, so Zach's cleaning up his mess and
I'm still here.
Nope.
It looks like you're about to puke. Like, what do you do? Ah!